Hello everyone. Increased work from home concept for IT employees, online classes for school as well as college students. Due to this coronavirus pandemic, the need of laptop are getting necessary. For this kind of learning and work purpose, Lenovo launches a powerful laptop with an AMD processor. In this video, we are going to unbox the Lenovo Ideapad S145 powered with AMD processor. I am Sam and you are watching TECHiE Sam. Let's unbox it. Lenovo always delivers their laptop in the normal cardboard box. After opening the box, the charger placed on the top. Like mobile chargers, the adapter of the charger is attached with the power socket. After the socket, charger cable is connected, which provided sufficient length to use. Apart from the charger in the box, it contains user manual and a warranty card. Even though they provide a normal cardboard box outside, inside there is a quality polyethylene film to protect the laptop. Always be careful to open the plastic box while taking up the laptop. There will be a chance of slip with the plastic cover. Ideapad S145 has a 15.6-inch Full HD screen with a resolution of 1920 x 1080 pixels. It has anti-glare feature for the efficient view of the display. The display can be rotated up to 180 degrees. Keys in the keyboard are well spaced with the calculator type of number keys in the right side. So the Ideapad is equipped with a full-fledged keyboard for easy use. The small black outer beading of the display gives a decent look. It increases the readability. The backside is made with a shining plastic material with white and grey shade. In terms of hardware, it consists of an AMD Ryzen 3500 processor with a speed of 2.1 GHz. The quad-core AMD processor comes with an Vega 8 graphics processor with a 512 GB of SSD and a 8 GB of RAM. Apart from this, it has 0.3 megapixel webcam. Two 1.5 watt speakers with a Dolby audio support are placed inside. In terms of wireless connectivity, Bluetooth version 4.2 and Wi-Fi supports for 2.4 as well as 5 GHz. In software, it comes with an Windows 10 64-bit Home Edition OS, Microsoft Office Home Student 2020 version, and McAfee antivirus with 1 year subscription comes as a built-in software. Ideapad comes with 3 USB ports, from that 2 are USB 3.0. Apart from this, it has one HDMI port, 4-in-1 card reader port, and a 3.5mm headphone jack and a built-in mic. The Lenovo Ideapad S145 has been selling with a starting price of 20,000, and the AMD Ryzen power laptop, which we are unboxed in this video, are selling below 40,000. The product has been available in Flipkart, Amazon as well as Lenovo.com. We will share the best buying links to check out and buy the laptop in the description box. Please check them out. So in the overall look and first impression, the laptop gives a great speed and power with the help of AMD processor and a 512 GB of solid state hard disk. Soon we will be coming with a detailed review of this laptop to find out the full capacity, power, gaming performance, battery charging as well as draining time. If you have any doubt or queries regarding this laptop or tech, please post it in the comment section. We will try to respond them. If your family or friends, anyone looking to buy a new laptop, then share this video with them. If this video is useful to you, then hit the like button. Bye bye.